The faucet in the bathroom has been acting funky recently. I'm thinking the aerator might need some cleaning. Went and grabbed my trusty channel lock pliers and started mentally preparing myself for all the gross things in store. Started unscrewing the aerator, twisted it off, and by golly, that is a lot of straight-up gross gunk. Tapped it out as best I could and figured while I'm at it, might as well do a deep clean. The O-ring was stuck in the spout, so that'll need a good cleaning as well. Tried getting as much gunk off as I could with this stuff, but it couldn't get the job done. Time to move on to more drastic measures. Doesn't really matter if the finish gets messed up. I'm gonna replace those faucets at some point anyway. A little bit of time on the wire wheel and the aerator is looking much better. Back up to the bathroom and I cleaned out the spout opening. Ran the water a bit, and it looks like there was a lot of iron buildup in the pipes, as you can see from the gross brown water coming out. Ran it until the water ran clear, then popped in the aerator, tightened it up, and voila, all done. I think it's safe to say, mission accomplished on this project. I guess the real question is, what horrors await within the other faucet? In the meantime, stay fresh out there.